the camera on this one, man. Just pick a beat, man. Pick a beat. You got it? Okay. That's how you gonna do it, nigga. That's what's up. Fire. Back in this dish. Let me get it right. 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 5 years. Hey. Who said I can't do it no more? And it was over. February's cold, but my heart is colder. At the same time, I'm a volcano, so I soldier. About to take over like P did with his soldiers. And I'm still bout it. Your boy keep talking his mouth, I'ma knock the taste out it. And there's no need for you phonies to doubt it. You would think you in church the way you be shouting. Help me please, Lord. Come on, now you saved. Should've thought about Jesus yesterday. I'm a grown ass man, little time to play. So for all you kids, stay in the kids' place. This is grown up music, not for the little kids. Everything that you done, hell, I already did. I'ma say sucker free and keep your keep busting your wig. What I did, what I said, blood be shed, blood be red. You heard what I said, I split your wig. You niggas talk that guillotines out your wig. Y'all niggas seeing me, you see me on the screen. In the YouTube, I'm on your TV. I'm in your computer screen. And yeah, I'm getting green, I'm getting fatty, and I drink on that fucking lean. It make me lay back, but get the heart attack. But I will sit back in the shade and relax, because it's summertime, it's hot down here. Them niggas talk shit, still drink a fucking beer. I drink that liquor and I go out in the fucking sun. That's when the fun just fucking begun. They don't know nothing about me. If I pull out my gun under my mattress, I'ma squeeze. Believe that like a dog-shaped fleas. Nigga can't get rid of me, cause I am the nigga that everybody wanna see. But I'm dog, so that mean that nigga wanna be me, but they can't be on my team. I sit back and I got that fucking damn thing, caught back with that beam right between your eyes. If I pull it out, birthday, it's a surprise. You die. 5. Chill.